What's up mga ka-treasure, Juan Ayala, and dito tayo for the Geek Pop experience. Check na natin kung anong meron sa loob. Let's G! So pagpasok mo ng hall, makikita mo agad yung napakaraming players sa playing area and may mga TCG na agad na binebenta. So may mga TCG na hindi ko alam kung ano, pero may mga naglalaro pa rin na marami, so probably sikat din yan. Di lang natin alam. So iba't ibang players yung nandito, Riftbound, like Magic, may Pokemons din ako nakita. Pero the main event is this, yung pinaka main hall. And ayan, napakaraming Pokemon cards. Lots of Pokemon cards, yun ang masasabi ko. So hanap natin talaga is Magic the Gathering, pero medyo konti lang yung seller ng Magic. Mostly talaga ay Pokemon. And ang daming parang pa-event for Pokemon. So this is a great place for Pokemon enthusiasts, Pokemon card collectors. So this is a great place for you guys. Hanggang Sunday, pwede kayong mag-check and pumunta. So ito, meron din namang mga iba pang binebenta. Like may Magic naman talaga, pero hindi ganun karamihan. Yu-Gi-Oh! Wala akong nakita masyado. Pero One Piece like yan, meron din. So graded, ungraded, singles, box, packs, meron yan sila dito. May mga other events din like ito for retro gaming. Pero mostly talaga about TCG yung event na ito. So ayan yung sinabi ko, may mga for playing din like retro games, PS5, PlayStation, like Nintendo, meron yan dito. So hanggang Sunday again tong event. It's a great place guys, you can visit them. Geek Pop experience na share ko lang. Peace.